In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to organize your projects and business life using Google Calendars. Coming up. Bradley here, the CEO, owner, and head designer of BDesign. And the goal of this YouTube channel is to help you build your influence and impact in the graphic design world faster. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Calendars to keep your projects, business, and work life organized. Staying organized while designing can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. While building and working here at BDesign, I've learned the value of staying organized. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools to use to stay organized: Google Calendars. Let's get started. Then you go up here and find Google Calendars. You have a lot of different views in Google Calendars. If you go up here, you can change to the days of the week. The week. And a month. Or the year. But I like to keep it at the month. Here's the settings. You can create a new event. So let's put client meeting. You can set a reminder to remind you of when the meeting is, just by going in here and changing the time and date. Or you can keep it at the event view. But if you want to get more detailed, go down here to more options. You can change the reminder to daily or weekly or monthly, or on a certain day of every week. Then here you're able to add a location of where the meeting is. And here you're able to set up a video conference with Google Hangouts, which BDesign 680 uses Google Hangouts every Wednesday to live stream. Or you can set it as no video conference. And in here you're able to choose how you want to be notified, if you would like to get an email. Then here you're able to change when you want to get notified, 30 minutes before the meeting, or so on. Or hours, or days, or weeks before the meeting. And then here you're able to add more than one notification option. This is the email that you're going to be notified. And then here you can change the color of the importance, which we're going to go over later in the video. Then here you're able to change if to let people know when you're busy or free. You're able to set it as busy when within the times that you're having the meeting. Then here you're able to make public or private, if you're sharing the calendar with your team. And here you're able to add a description of your meeting, of who you're meeting with or what you're going to be meeting about. And over here you're able to add guests to the calendar. So members of your team that work closely by you, if you schedule certain tasks for them, they can see it. Then you go up here and you'd save it. And now you can see this meeting is saved on my calendar. Another way that you can create a new event without having to go over to the create button, you can just go to the day that you're having the meeting and just double click on that day. And it takes you automatically to the settings page. Now let's take a look at the sidebar. Here you get a smaller version of your entire month, and here you're able to add another calendar, and here you're able to add another task to your calendar, and where you're able to set the colors, which we discussed previously. So that's how BDesign stays organized with their clients and project management. If you got value out of this video and you want more videos on how to keep your clients' projects organized in the design world, consider subscribing and hitting that like button. And we'll see you next week. Keep on dreaming. Bye.